Hello, this is a quick video to learn how to use the laminator available here at the Blasco Library Idea Lab. When you use the laminator, you want to make sure that it is plugged in and that the switches on the side are on and hot. Then you will take your lamination pouch and open it. You'll take whatever papers that you are wanting to laminate and place them in the lamination pouch. I suggest putting them as close as you can to the inner crease. Once your paper or papers are inside the lamination pouch, you close it. The laminator takes some time to heat up, and you want to wait until this little green light next to the word ready is lit before you continue. You then take your closed lamination pouch and slide it into the slot. You push it in until you feel the machine grab your documents and papers, and then you can let it go. Wait until your pouch comes through the other side. When it stops moving, you can pull it out. Now all that's left is to cut out your excess pouch paper off your design. And that's all it takes to use the laminator here in the Idea Lab.